Hello, I am Vivek Bajpayee. Now I am going to start. Now I am going to start ICSC Maths Class 10th Ratio and Proportion. And please like, subscribe, share, and watch my channel. At e number sum, if ax is equal to by is equal to cz, prove that x square upon yz plus y square upon zx plus z square upon xy is equal to bc upon a square plus ca upon b square plus ab upon c square. Ax is equal to by is equal to c, zx is equal to ka, y is equal to k upon b, z is equal to k upon c. In place of that, we put this value k upon a whole square, k upon b into k upon c plus k upon b whole square, k upon c into k upon a plus k upon c whole square, k upon a into k upon b. Then it is k square upon a square into bc upon k square upon b square plus ca upon k square plus c square into ab upon k square. Then bc upon a square plus ca upon b square plus ab upon c square. 19 number sum. 19 a b c d are in proportion. Present proof that 5a plus 7b 2c minus 3d 5c plus 7d 2a plus minus 3b. A b c d are in proportion. A upon b is equal to c upon d and is equal to k, is equal to bk, c is equal to dk. Then 5a plus 7b 2c minus 7d 5 into bk plus 7b plus 2 dk minus 3d, b 5k plus 7, d 2k minus 3. Then bd is 5k plus 7, 2k minus 3. Then bd is 10k square minus 15k plus 14k minus 21. bd is equal to 10k square minus k minus 21. RHS as 5c plus 7d 2a minus 3b 5dk plus 7d 2bk minus 3b. Then d 5k plus 7, b 2k minus 3. BD 10k square minus 15k plus 14k minus 21. BD is equal to 10k square minus k minus 21. Second number sum, MA plus NB upon B, MC plus ND upon 2, D. Then A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to K. Then A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK, M into BK plus NB upon B, M DK plus ND upon D. Then this upon BB is cancelled. Then MK plus N is equal to MK plus N. Third number sum, A4 upon B4 plus C4 upon D4. A square C square upon B square plus D square. Then A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to K is equal to BK, C is equal to DK. Then A4 plus C4 upon B4 plus C K4. B4 K4 plus D4 K4 upon B4 plus D4. K4 is common. Then B4 plus D4 upon B4 plus D4 is equal to K4. These are cancelled. A square upon C square, B square into D. B square K square into D square K square upon B square D square. Then it is K4. A square plus AB upon C square plus CD, B square minus 2AB, D square minus 2C. Then upon B is equal to C upon D, K is equal to BK, C is equal to DK square plus AB upon C square plus CD, B square K square plus BK into B, D square plus K square plus DK into D, B square K square plus B square K, D square K square plus D square K, then B square K upon D square, k plus 1, k plus 1. These are cancelled. Only b square upon d square left. B square minus 2ab upon d square minus 2cd. B square minus 2bk into b. D square minus 2dk into d. B square minus 2b square k. D square minus 2d square k. Then b square upon d square 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2k. Cancel. It is b square d square. A plus c whole cube, b plus d whole cube is equal to a minus c whole square, b minus d whole square. Then a upon b is equal to c upon d is equal to k. Then a is equal to bk, c is equal to dk, bk plus dk whole cube, b plus d whole cube is equal to k cube, b plus d whole cube, b plus d whole cube is equal to k cube. RHS a minus c whole square, b minus d whole square, bk upon b, bk minus dk upon whole square, b minus d is equal to k into k square, b minus d cancelled, only k cube. 6 number, a square plus ab plus b square upon a square minus ab plus b square, c square plus cd plus d square, c square minus cd plus d square. Taking a is equal to bk, c is equal to dk. Then b square k square plus bk into b plus b square k square minus bk into b plus b square. बी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर प्लस 1 के स्क्वायर माइनस के प्लस 1 सी स्क्वायर प्लस सी डी प्लस डी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर माइनस सी डी प्लस डी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर के प्लस डी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर माइनस डी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर प्लस के प्लस 1 डी स्क्वायर के स्क्वायर माइनस के प्लस 1 LHS RHS equal. Then next part, a square b square upon c square d square is equal to ab plus ad minus bc plus cd minus ad is equal to a upon b is equal to c upon d is equal to k is equal to bk d is equal to ck b square k square plus b square upon d square k square plus d square b square k square plus 1 d square k square plus 1 it is b square d square bk into b plus bk into d minus dk into b dk plus dkb minus bkd b square k b dk minus b dk upon b dk plus d square k minus b dk b upon d bk plus dk minus dk upon d bk plus dk minus dk all are cancelled b upon d. 8 number sum a b c d a upon a square 1 upon a square 1 upon b square 1 upon c square 1 upon d a square plus b square plus c square plus d square a upon b is equal to c upon d is equal to k is equal to bk c. Then left hand side a b c d 1 upon a square 1 upon b square 1 upon c square plus 1 upon d. Then bk into in place of this bk into b into dk into d 1 upon in place of a square b square k square 1 upon b square 1 upon d square k square 1 upon d square. Then it is b square d square k d square plus d taking LCM b square d square k square it is d square k plus b square plus d square k. These numbers are cancelled, only d square plus d square k plus b square plus b square k. Then a square plus b square plus c square plus d b square k square plus b square plus d square k square plus d square. If x, y, z are in the continuous proportion, prove that x plus y whole square, y plus z whole square is equal to x upon z. X upon y is equal to y upon z is equal to k, x is equal to yk, y is equal to zk, and x is equal to zk square. Then x plus y whole square upon y plus z whole square, zk square plus zk whole square upon zk plus z whole square. 3k k plus 1, 3k plus 1 whole square, z square k square upon k plus 1 whole square, z square k plus 1 whole square is equal to k square, x upon z is equal to 3 zk square upon z, it is k square. If a, b, c are in a continuous proportion, prove that pa square plus qab plus rb square upon pb square plus qbc plus rc square is equal to rb is equal to b upon c is equal to k, a is equal to bk, b is equal to ck, a is equal to ck square. pa square plus qab plus rb square, pb square plus qbc plus rc square, pck square whole square plus qck square into ck plus r c square k square. Then taking c square k square common, then pk square plus qk plus r upon pk square plus qk plus r. These two are cancelled. A upon c is equal to ck square upon c, it is k square. Then question number 22c. If a, b, c are in a continuous proportion, prove that a plus b upon b plus c is equal to a square, b minus c, b square, a minus b, a upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to k, a is equal to bk, b is equal to ck, is equal to ck square, a plus b upon b plus c, ck square plus ck upon ck plus c, ck common, then k plus 1 cancelled, only k left. A square b minus c upon b square, a minus b, c square k4 ck minus c square k square, ck square minus ck, then k square ck minus 1 kc, only k is left here. Second number, 1 upon a cube 1 upon b cube 1 upon c cube is equal to a b c square, b square c square, b upon c square, a square plus c, a square b square, a upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to k, a is equal to bk, a is equal to ck square, b is equal to ck. Then 1 upon cube 1 upon c cube k6, 1 upon c cube k3, 1 upon c cube, taking c cube k cube, then it is k6 plus k3 plus 1 1 upon b square, a upon b square, c square, b upon c square, a square, c upon d square, a square, then ck square upon c square, k square minus c square plus ck, c square minus c square, k4 plus c upon c square, k4 into c square, ck square upon c3, k4, ck, c 3k4 plus c upon c k5, 1 upon c cube, 1 upon c cube k cube plus 1 upon c cube k6, k6 plus k3 minus plus 1 upon c cube k3, k6. A upon c is equal to a square plus b square upon b square c square. Solution: A upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to k is equal to bk, b is equal to ck is equal to ck square. A upon c is equal to ck square upon c k square. A square plus b square upon b square plus c square is equal to c2 k4 c square k square c square k square plus c square. C square k square plus 1 c square k square plus 1 is equal to k square. Fourth number: a square b square c square 1 upon a4 plus 1 upon b4 plus 1 upon c4. 1 upon b square a4 plus b4 plus c4. A upon b upon c is equal to k is equal to bk, b is equal to ck, c is equal to c. A square b square c square 1 upon a4 plus 1 upon b4 1 upon c4. C square k4 c square k square c square 1 upon c4 k4 8 c4 k4 1 upon c4. Then c4 is cancelled with c6, it is c2 k6 1 upon k8 plus 1 upon k4 plus 1 upon c square k6 1 plus k4 k8 k8 into 2. It is k8 2 k2 power c square 1 plus k4 plus 1 k8 upon k square 1 upon b square a4 plus b4 plus c4 1 upon c square 1 upon c square k square c4 k4 plus c4 k4 plus c4 1 upon c square k square into c4 k8 plus k4 plus 1, it is c square k8 plus k4 plus 1 upon k square. Now part number 5. Part number 5, it is ABC a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to ab plus bc plus c whole cube. Solution: a upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to k. It is a is equal to ck square, b is equal to ck. Then ck square into ck into c, ck square plus ck plus c plus cube, c cube c k square plus k plus 1 whole cube, c cube k square plus k plus 1 whole cube, c6 k cube k square plus k plus 1 whole cube, ab plus bc plus c whole cube, ck square ck plus ck into c plus c k square into 3, c square k cube plus c square k plus c square k square whole cube, c square k cube k square plus k 1 plus k, it is cube, c6 k cube k square plus k plus 1. Sixth number: a plus b plus c whole a minus c plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Solution: a upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to k is equal to bk, b is equal to ck, and a is equal to ck square. A plus b plus c, a minus c plus b, it is ck square, ck plus c, ck square minus c plus ck, c common, then k square plus k plus 1 into ck square plus k plus 1, c square k square plus k plus 1, k square plus k minus 1, it is c4 k4 plus k square minus 1, a square plus b square plus c square, c2 k4 c2 k square c square. Taking c common, it is plus 1. Then 23, then it is 23 part number 4, a upon d is equal to a minus b upon b minus c, a upon b is equal to b upon c is equal to c upon d is equal to k is equal to dk cube, b is equal to dk square, c is equal to dk, then a upon d is equal to dk cube upon d, dk cube minus dk square upon dk square minus dk, it is cube, dk square k minus 1 dk k minus 1, it is cancelled, only k3, the k3 is equal to k3. 23. If a, b, c, d are in continuous proportion, prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube upon b cube plus c cube plus d cube is equal to a upon d, a upon b is equal to b upon c upon d is equal to k is equal to bk, b is equal to ck, c is equal to dk, ck square is equal to dk cube, b is equal to dk, then c dk cube plus dk square का whole cube, dk whole cube, dk square whole cube plus dk whole cube plus dk. It is d cube k9 d3 k6 d3 k3 d3 k6 d3 k3 minus plus d3. Taking this common, d cube k cube k6 plus k3 plus 1 d cube k6 plus k3 plus 1, it is k cube. Second number sum. If a square minus b square, c square minus d square is equal to b square minus c square whole square. It is dk cube whole cube, dk square whole square, d square k6 minus d square k4, and d square k square minus 1. Then d2 k4 k square minus 1 into d square k square minus 1, d4 k4 k square minus 1 whole square, b square minus c square whole square, dk whole square minus dk square whole square, d2 k4 minus d square k2 whole square, d square k square minus 1 whole square, d4 k4 k square minus 1 whole square. Then third number sum, it is a plus d, b plus c minus a minus c, b plus d, b minus c whole square. A upon b is equal to b minus c is equal to c upon d is equal to k is equal to bk. It is dk cube, b is equal to dk square, c is equal to d, k is equal to a plus d, dk cube plus d, dk square plus dk minus dk cube plus dk into dk square plus d, dk cube plus 1 into d k plus 1, dk square dk square minus 1 into dk square. It is d square d square dk cube plus 1 dk. It is d square k square k cube plus 1 k plus 1 d square k square. It is d square k cube plus 1 k plus 1 d square k square minus 1 k square plus 1 d square k cube plus 1 k plus 1 k square minus 1 k square plus 1 d square k square minus 2 k plus 1 b minus c dk square minus dk whole square, d square k minus 1 whole square, d square k square minus 2 k plus 1. Thank you for watching my channel.